Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. This video we are discussing the question in which written is here in a class of 30 students, the mean score on a test is 75. Okay, so we have to give what is given here. Given is number of students it means 30. N is 30 and mean is given is 75, but this mean is incorrect. Why? Because if one student score is 90 is mistakenly recorded as 90. Okay, if one student score was 90 but it mistakenly recorded as 60, it means that the correct number is 90 but mistakenly we have written the 60. So in this case what we will do, in this case we have to find the corrected mean, right? For corrected mean, in this case first we will write the mean is equal to sum of all the values, we can say summation of xi and divided by n, summation of xi divided by n. So mean is given here which is 75 and xi upon n which is 30. Okay, now we have to find the summation of xi, summation of xi. So we will multiply the 75 into 30, which will be 2250. 2250 will be the summation of the. Now we will find the corrected mean. Corrected mean will be sigma x upon n. Right. Summation x is 2250, but because we know that this summation of x is not correct because 90 was the correct number but we have written 60, so we will add 90 and subtract 60. In this questions we have to subtract the wrong one and add the right one, right? This is the right number, so we have to add this number divided by n is a 30. So after this we will get 2280. It means that this is a right number, and when we divide it we will find the correct answer. So this will be 3 sevens are 21 and 3 6 are, so this will be our answer which is 76. So we have found this value. If you have another question or queries, you can contact us. We are here for help you of any kind of service. Thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for any kind of help, go through it. Number is here on your screen. You can contact anytime. Thank you so much for watching, and I will say thank you.